back to my channel, and today I am bringing you this. I never know what to call my looks because I don't know how I get them, but it's like a green eye. We got some chunky glitter and some purple eye, and I did something different for my lips. They're not pink today, okay? And yeah, it's some glow, and we just real cute, like in a smoky kind of way, but still wearable, okay? If that makes sense. I don't know. But it came out really cute and I like it. So, yeah. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching and remember to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And I will see you in my next look. Okay, so I already primed my eyes with concealer. Then I just set it with the Black Radiant Setting Powder. So I'm just going to take the Morphe 39A palette. I'm going to take a transition shade, but it's a little dark beauty transition shade, but I guess once you blend it out, kind of light up, you'll see. And it is called Evolve. It looks like this. Okay. And this is Morphe V8 brush. Oh, no, it's not. BH Cosmetics V8 brush. They're from their vegan set. Well, it's an individual brush. Like, yeah, I already know I use this brush every tutorial. Okay. Okay, so the next color I'm going to take is the purple from the Zulu palette. Okay, so next, going back into the 39A palette, I want to take the darkest purple that's in this palette, and it's called Forever. And I'm going to mix it in with like a deep purple, which is called Cat Eye. And it has a little bit of a brown tint to it. And I'm just going to put this directly in the crease. Okay, so after I have everything blended out, I'm just going to add a little bit of black in the crease. And adding black in your crease really defines it and helps your lid color up pop a lot more. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. Okay, so after I have carved out my lid, I'm going to take this green shimmer out of the Zool bag and place my lid. And the same thing I did in the crease, I'm going to do to the outer corner. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream. Okay, so I did my wing off camera, and I'm going to take this chunky glitter. It's like brown and gold and pink. It's a little bit of some of everything, but you really can't tell. Okay, and it's not that big, but it's big enough. I'm just kind of spread it over the lid, but not a lot. It's just going to be a little bit, okay? Okay, and I'm going to take my NYX Very Bright liner in Envy and just put a line outside my wing. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to use Jackie I Know Slip Peach. Okay, so I just did the NYX Suede Lip Liner in Club Hopper. And I think I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie in, what is this? Corset. I'm not sure. Y'all know I always use the cheeky one. So, okay, I like this. It's cute. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs lip gloss in, what is this? It's called Sugar Sugar. It looks like this, like it's cute little travel size lip gloss. It's a set. It came in 3 and this is one of them. And it was actually a gift.